Duffel bag, backseat.
This video is for teaching kids how to put shoes on their feet correctly. This is one video in a playlist, so please click through to see which strategies make sense for your child, since developmentally they may be more ready to try different strategies depending on whether they can recognize letters or symbols. So if you have a very visual child, one very classic trick is called the butterfly trick. So what you do is you have your child practice looking at the shoes when they're oriented correctly and when they're oriented incorrectly. So you want to sit them down, and what you want to do is sort of show them that when shoes are oriented correctly, they don't make the butterfly, okay? And the idea is that when you switch them and they're not oriented correctly, the shoes come together so that they make sort of butterfly wings. So it's that idea of knowing that they're pointing outwards, kind of like this. So they have this butterfly wing type of appearance. So the butterfly trick can be successful for some kids. It just depends on the child, again, on their developmental level and their readiness. So you could certainly orient the shoes and have them look at them, whether they're making a butterfly or whether they're not making the butterfly. So try the butterfly trick. It might be successful. If you have a child that loves butterflies, this could be a highly motivating type of a strategy for you to use. So again, look through the playlist. There are many different types of strategies depending on your child's developmental level, but this one might be a winner.
You're a drive real slow down.